Hey everyone, welcome back to the Unwind Vibes. Today, we're diving into something super fun, unique, and totally uplifting. Laughter yoga. Heard that right. We're going to talk about how combining laughter with yoga can completely transform your mood and well-being. Ready to laugh your way to good health? Let's go. Laughter yoga is a combination of laughter exercises and deep yogic breathing, created by Dr. Madan Kataria in 1995. It's designed to bring joy, reduce stress, and promote overall wellness by triggering in your natural laughter. So, how does it work? Well, the idea is to laugh for no reason at all. You don't need jokes or comedy, or by forcing yourself to laugh, your brain eventually believes it's real. And that's where the magic happens. This laughter, combined with yoga breathing techniques called pranayama, boosts oxygen levels in your body and brain, making you feel energized, clear-headed, and more connected. So laughter yoga sessions usually begin with warm-up exercises that involve clapping, chanting, and simple stretches. Then you move into a series of laughter exercises like playful ho ha 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 chants and pretend laughter that quickly turns real. And here's the best part. You don't need to be flexible, have any prior yoga experience, or even be in a good mood to start. Laughter yoga works because our bodies can't distinguish between fake and real laughter. High is the health benefits kick in either way. Studies show that regular laughter can reduce cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and boost endorphins, the feel-good chemicals in your brain. Many people have even reported feeling lighter and more at ease after just one session. So, whether you're looking to brighten up your day or just need a little mood boost, laughter yoga could be the perfect solution for you. Why not give it a try today? It's free, it's fun, and you can practice anywhere. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more wellness tips and yoga practices. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep laughing.